What's going on, people? Today we're back with a video with Jeremiah, and we've got a new machine that no one's seen before, but here is my new machine, T76, and today we're going to be using the Skid Pro stump grinder to grind the biggest stump I have probably ever seen in my life. But we've got a big one to grind today, and we're going to see if this Skid Pro can do it. This tree's probably 5 foot in diameter at least, and it's got roots going everywhere. So we're probably going to spend, how long are we going to spend grinding this, Jeremiah?
6 or 7 hours.
6 or 7 hours. So yeah, this is going to be a slow process. Very slow. And if any of you watching know anything about stump grinding, I haven't been doing it but a year now, but I'm only charging them $500 to grind that stump, and I'm pretty sure that's extremely cheap. Y'all let me know if I'm cheap or not. But we're gonna get the Bobcat off. We're gonna get the Bobcat off the trailer, and I need to move some of the teeth around on the cutter, because these bottom ones are wore out, so I'm gonna move some from the top to the bottom. So let's get started. Alright, now we're going to get these teeth swapped around. Alright, we've been out here and we got these outside teeth, the ones that were bad wore out. We replaced those with some of these higher up teeth. Don't get near as much wear on them, so we swapped a few around. So we are ready to do some cutting, Jeremiah. You ready? Mm-hmm. Alright, we're going to get set up and get started. a lot of the stump ground up, and boy oh boy, that's a lot of shavings. But this, I mean, that stump is absolutely huge. So we're about to go get us some lunch and then come back and clean all this up where I can see the rest of the stump to grind it up. And then we gotta do that one over there as well afterwards. So you ready to go eat, Jeremiah?
Yep.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright, well, we're gonna go get us something to eat. But changing them teeth out helped a lot. But they're still looking pretty good. So we're gonna go eat lunch and come back. we go. Alright, so we are done stump grinding. Me and Jeremiah got them all ground up. Jeremiah was a huge help. But over here, you can't even tell there was a stump here. Can't even tell. Got it smoothed out and it's looking great. Oh, Jeremiah, you ruined it. And then that was a big oak stump. We put all the shavings over there. And here's where that pine stump was. We got it looking great, and that was a ginormous pine. That tree was probably 5 foot in diameter. Not 5, probably about 4 feet in diameter. But yeah, we got done, Jeremiah. So anyways, that's grinding 2 giant stumps with a Skid Pro stump grinder. And Skid Pro, if y'all want us to test attachments, hit us up. We'd love to. We'd be completely honest with you, and we could find some things y'all could improve on some of y'all's attachments. So anyways, we will see y'all in the next video.